it was like this beautiful, impressive thing, and
The art of Kathak presents Mataram, a celebration of the Divine Mother, Mother Nature, and the colorful diversity of our motherlands, brought together by Sudeshnaa Maulik and her collective of dancers. We are all children of Mother Earth. For Indians, this bond with the land is so strong that we call India Bharat Mata, meaning Mother India.
How beautiful is the land, bountiful and rich, but also mighty, protecting her children and embodying the qualities of devotion and motherhood. She is righteousness, love, and divine beauty in one.
Some call me nature. Others call me Mother Nature. I've been here for over 4.5 billion years. 22,500 times longer than you. I don't really need people, but people need me. Yes, your future depends on me. When I thrive, you thrive. When I falter, you falter. Or worse. But I've been here for eons. I have fed species greater than you, and I have starved species greater than you. My oceans, my soil, my flowing streams, my forests, they all can take you or leave you. How you choose to live each day, whether you regard or disregard me, doesn't really matter to me. One way or the other. Your actions will determine your fate, not mine. I am nature. I will go on. I am prepared to evolve. Are you?
Let's